In this video, we are diving into the essentials of HTML styles, comments, and colors. Understanding these concepts is key to enhancing the appearance and structure of web pages. Let's jump in. Now, we will see how to apply HTML styles. In HTML, styles can be applied directly using the style attribute for inline styling. Let's see the example of inline styling. In this code, we have a paragraph element represented by the p tag. Inside the opening p tag, we use the style attribute to apply specific styles directly. This part changes the text color of the paragraph to blue, making it stand out on the page. Here, we set the font size to 20 pixels, which increases the size of the text, enhancing its visibility. In this section, we will learn about HTML comments. HTML comments are handy for adding notes or explanations in the code, which won't be visible on the web page. Here is the example of HTML comments. It is a note added to the code for developers, but won't appear on the web page. Since the comment is ignored by browsers, only the paragraph text will show up on the page. Let's see HTML colors. HTML supports several ways to define colors, named colors, hex codes, RGB, and HSL values. Now, we are going to see how HTML colors can be used. This paragraph uses the name red to color the text red. HTML provides many named colors like blue, green, and more. Here, the color green is represented with the hex code. Hex codes use a 6-character code starting with hash, indicating the intensity of red, green, and blue in hexadecimal. In this example, the RGB value produces blue. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, with values ranging from 0 to 255 for each component. This paragraph uses an HSL value to display blue. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. The hue here is set to 240, with full saturation and 50% lightness.